Guys, today I'm gonna learn something new. This is an Altera DE2-115 board. It's mostly used for or known as the FPGA board. The Cyclone 4 is the driver you need to connect, as I'll show you later on. However, you need some connections like this 12-volt supply here and this cable, and this cable needs to be connected to your PC. Now to work this you need the software. I'll show you now. This is the software you need, called Quartus Lite. Make sure you download the Quartus Lite, otherwise it won't work well. It should come out like this, as I'll show you on the screen. My apologies if it's slow. Anyway, it should come out like this once you've downloaded it completely. You have to open Go File here to open the new project. You have to Go File, open project. In my case, I'm going to use Lab 3. So I will describe you how it works. Give it a minute to open the project. Once it's done, you go in here. The drive you have. Forgot to mention that you need to download it. Once you have to download in the download, you have to download its driver, like as shown here. You click on it, and here comes the whole code of the system, known as switch D, bounce, and clock driver. I don't know much coding, but I can't describe this all. But I can tell you what the job going to do. Like here, these are the push buttons, and one of them needs to. If I switch them, and the job for this project needs to, when I switch on the switch, the LED lights up to all switches here. Now once the code is done, I'll rewind it up just in case you need to copy it or write it down so you can try it yourself. This is enough. Now to program this thing, you have to go program devices here. You have to go program devices, or to open the programmer. Before that, you have to switch this on, this red button here. As you can see, it's switched on, but not completely programmed. And then once it's switched on, I can show you how to program it. Go in here, hardware setup, up here. Make sure, mine in this case is the USB blaster. Select this, and once it's double click on that, and if it's listed up here, then close it. Before I run it, this is what you really should never forget. Make sure that when you connect the wire from the computer, it goes here on the blaster, so at least you can read on the PC to here. And this 12, and there's a 12-volt like I mentioned earlier. So without further ado, make sure double check. Go hardware setup. It's listed there. Close, and once ready, press start. We'll press start, and we'll see what happens. Here we go. Give it a minute to completely upload. It's already uploaded. Let's have a check. Suppose when I flick all these switches up, all LEDs out here should be on. Here we go. and when I switch these down, it should be off. Cool, ain't it? Well, I hope you liked my video today. This is about the new FPGA board, and stay tuned for more videos like Arduino, the LPC, any board I try, you'll find them on my playlist. Happy late Easter, forgot to mention, and hope like and subscribe as always.